Okay, here's the Honda Passport 2000 V6 engine, and these are the issue with the car. Okay, if I put the key in and just put it on, fuel gauge is down. I don't hear the fuel pump. And I heard a noise. There's a noise coming from that fuel pump relay from this one, but so when I try to crank the vehicle, I don't know if you hear that noise, that's coming from the fuel relay. Now, this is the weird part. I have a OBD2 reader. I turned the ignition off, and I'm gonna plug it in here. Just plugging it in there, and then this is the difference. Okay, you hear now the starter clicks. I see the fuel gauge. Fuel gauge is going up. And then the fuel relay stops buzzing, but the starter starts clicking. And then starter clicks. Turn the ignition off. Pull the OBD2 reader, and then now I get the buzzing sound, and the fuel gauge is not working anymore, and I'm getting a buzzing sound from the fuel pump relay. So I mean, it's weird how the OBD2 reader, it's doing something where it's making something work. So I don't know what it is.